Good morning, students. Today we are going to see that in class 7, term 3, chapter 1, number system. In the number system, last week we saw the multiplication of decimal numbers. Today we are going to see the division of decimal numbers. So, you know how to multiply by the decimal numbers. So, today we are going to see that how we have to divide the decimal number. So, see exercise 1.4, simplify 0.6 divided by 3. As a normal division, 0.6 we divide by 3. 0 we can't divide, so we put 0. And then what is there? Decimal. So where is the decimal place is there? So you have to put the decimal place, decimal point. So put the decimal point and you have to see the 6. The 6, 3 how many times? Yes, 2 times. So 2 3s are 6. So it becomes 0. So 0.6 divide 3, our answer is 0.2. Next, 0.90 divided by 5. So as usual, 0 we can't divide 0, decimal point. Next we will see the 9. The 9, how many 5s are there? Yes, 1 5. So 1 5s are 5. When subtract 9 minus 5, 4. Next you bring 0. Now it's become 40. So in the 40, how many 5s are there? 8 5s are 40. Now subtract we get 0. So 0.90 divided 5 is equal to 0.18. Next, 4.08 divide 4. So 4.08 you have to divide by 4. So here what number is there? 4. So 1 4s are 4. Next decimal point. Next you bring 0. 0 we can divide by 4. So we put the 0 and then we bring the next number 8. So in the 8 how many 4s are there? 2 4s are. So 2 4s are 8 0. So 4.08 divide 4 is equal to 1.02. Next see the fourth sum. Fourth sum 21.56 divide 7. So 21.56 divided by 7. First we will see the 2. 2 we can divide by 7? No. So always small number of the divisor we can't divide. So we take as 21. In the 21 how many times? 3 times. So 3 7s are 21. Subtract means we get 0. Next decimal point is there. So we have to write the decimal point. And then 5 you have to bring the 5. The 5 we can divide by 7? No, because it is small number of 7. So next you bring the 6. In the 56 how many 7s? 8 7s are 56. So 8 times we put and we have to subtract means we get 0. So our answer is 21.56 divide 7 is equal to 3.08. Next, simplify the following. So 5.7 divide 10. So 5.7 we divide by the 7. We divide by 10. So what is our answer? 0.57. So do you remember that when multiplication we multiple decimal numbers and 10 or 100, the decimal point moves right side of the number. Decimal point move right side of the number. But when we divide by the zeros number, 0 multiples, that means 10, 100, thousands. When we divide by 10, 100, thousands, so decimal point will move left side of the numbers. Decimal point will move left side of the numbers. So here see, we divide by 10. So how many 0 is there? 1 0. So decimal point move 1 digit before. So here see, 93.7 divide 10. So decimal point 1 0 is there. So decimal point will move 1 place before. So 9.37. Next is the 0.9 divide 10. So 0.9 divide 10. So decimal point here, no decimal number also. We have to put 0 and we have to move 1 places. So 0.09. Okay, when we divide by 10, decimal point will move right side 1 digit before. decimal point move one digit before in the right side. Here 301.301 divided by 10. So 301.301 divided by 10. So decimal point will move one place right side. So now it's become 30.1301. Next, simplify, divide by 100, 0.7. Now we saw that 10. Now we see that 100. So 0.7 divide by 100. If 10 means how it is moves one digit right side, the same 100 means it is moved two digit of the right side. So 0.7. So here two digit is we not have means we have to add the zeros. So we have to add the 0, 7, 0, 0.0. So we have to, before 7, the point will move 2 digit before. So 3.8 divided by 100. So 1 digit before decimal point is there. But 100 means how many digit before? 2 digit before. So 3, 0. So here no digit. So we add 0. So 0.038. Next, 49.3 divided by 100. So 49 by 3.3 divided by 100 means decimal point will move. Yes, 2 digit before. So 0.4 before 4 point will come. So 0.493. Next, 463.85 divided by 100. So decimal point how many digits before it will move? 2 digit before. So now 4.6385. So if it is divided by 100 means it's move 2 digit before. Divide by 10 means it's move 1 digit before. Now we divide by 1000 means you know that 10 means 1 digit, 100 means 2 digit, 1000 means yes 3 digit. So 18.9 divided by 1000, the decimal point move 3 digit before. So 81, we add 1 0 point. So 0.0189. Here 0.87 divided by 1000. So 0.87 divided by 1000. So no digits. The digits are there. So what we have to put? Yes, we have to put the zeros and move the decimal point 3 digit before. So 0.00087. Next, 49.3 divided by 1000. So 49.3 divided by 1000 means it move 3 digit before. Already 2 digit is there. So we have to add one more digit 0 and we put the decimal point. So 0.0493. Next, 0.3 divided by 1000. Here no digit 0 is there. So we want to move 3 digits before. So we have to move 3 digits. So we add 3 zeros and put the decimal point. Our answer is 0.0003. So thank you students. I think you understand the decimal number by natural number. So then divide by 10, 100, 1000. So practice well, do well. Thank you.